Good morning. Dennis Ledford with Broker Banter. I'm here today with Tera Davis, our in-house representative with Academy Mortgage. She's been talking to us over the last few weeks about how volatile the rates have been. It's not scary yet, but it could create some issues that make your transaction fall apart or make it weak. And I'm going to let Tera talk about some ways that you could make sure that doesn't happen. Tera?
Okay, thanks, Dennis. Yes, we are in a market right now where the interest rates can be up at one point in the morning, down in the afternoon, then back up before we come in the next day. So it's a very volatile market. What we encourage people to do right now is to stay in close communication with their lender and talking to them daily about where their rate sits. You may get pre-approved at a 4 1/4 and find out when you go to lock it's actually a 5% rate, which can change your payment and your outlook on buying that home. So it's important to stay in close communication. We also have a program that we started about a month ago that's called Lock and Shop. So we actually allow you to lock the interest rate and shop for a home. You have 30 days to find a home and then 30 days to close the loan, but your interest rate will be protected from the day that you lock until you close on that loan. So that's a great opportunity to protect yourself right now in this type of market. I only advise that for clients that are very serious and looking for a home, because if you don't find a home in that 30 days, you lose that, and it will cost you 1/4% of whatever amount we secured for you at that time. So do call and ask about that if you're interested, and I'm happy to go into more detail.
That is available for certain types of loans, is that correct?
Correct. That's going to be for conventional and FHA loan only. The specialty loans such as VA, Washington State Bond, and USDA do not allow for that.
Can you, with those, lock once you have a house?
Correct. The second that you enter into a contract and that you've signed on the dotted line, we can lock in your interest rate, and I advise doing that. The prediction is these rates are going to start to climb up and be settled in the 5% range. So I do encourage people to get in and lock as quickly as they can.
Well, I think that's important advice that I hope you take to your client base, that if they specifically feel they're going to buy a house and they're actively looking, that the shop and lock is a piece that could help them. The other piece is if you're already under contract and they have left their rate to float, that could, at the end, if their rates have gone up, let's say a point, disqualify them because of ratios. We haven't seen that yet, but I think that's because Tera stays on point with the ones that she has in process and gets it done. If your loan is with another mortgage broker or a bank, it's still your obligation to tell your people that maybe this is the time you lock, even though it's 2 weeks or 3 weeks from closing, because anything can happen with this type of market going up and down. My 40 years has always shown that it trends when it is volatile to go up, and that's what we'll probably see. You know, we're fortunate, 5% maybe, Tera said. My whole sales career was at 10%, so it's still a beautiful piece, and I think it's an indication that our economy is improving. We know by the number of buyers that are in the market that they feel positive about it, so get the information to them rapidly, and let's protect them with this rate program. Thank you for being with me. I hope this helps you. The biggest piece is I hope you put it in action and give calls and protect some of your people you're working with. Thanks a lot, Tera.
Yeah, thank you.